How can I remove Gameloop Virus from my computer?
Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about a common issue many users face, the Gameloop virus. It can be quite troublesome, but worry not. We're here to guide you through its removal step by step.
What is the Gameloop virus?
Before we begin the removal process, it's crucial to understand what the Gameloop virus is. It's a malicious software often linked with the popular Tencent's Gameloop gaming platform. The virus can affect the overall performance of your system, slowing it down, and potentially stealing personal information.
How did I get it?
The most common way of getting the Gameloop virus is by downloading it unknowingly. It usually happens when you download and install software from unverified sources. Remember, it's crucial to only download software from official or trusted sources.
How can I remove the Gameloop virus?
Now that we've covered what the virus is and how it's often contracted, let's move on to removing it from your computer. Step 1. Uninstall Gameloop software. Firstly, we need to uninstall the Gameloop software. Go to your Control panel, then select Uninstall a program under Programs. Locate Gameloop from the list, click on it, and hit Uninstall. Follow the instructions until the software is completely removed. Step 2. Run an antivirus scan. Next, run a full scan using your antivirus software. If you don't have one, consider installing a reliable antivirus. Make sure it's updated to its latest version for maximum efficiency. The antivirus will help identify and remove any remaining components of the virus. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Thirdly, clear your browser's cache. Viruses sometimes hide in your browser's cache, so it's essential to clear it. How you do this will depend on the browser you use, but generally, it's under Settings or History. Step 4. Manual deletion from registry. Lastly, you'll want to check your registry and manually delete any remaining Gameloop entries. Be cautious, though, manipulating your registry can be risky. If you're unsure, consider seeking professional help or use a trusted registry cleaner tool. To access your registry, press Windows+R, type regedit, and hit Enter. Then, using the search function Ctrl+F, look for Gameloop entries and carefully delete them. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to remove the Gameloop virus from your computer. Remember, the best defense against viruses is prevention. Only download software from trusted sources and keep your antivirus software updated. Stay safe and happy computing.